Okay, everybody, you can kind of see my bear, or at least my first attempt at this type of bear. This is how Jeff Morh does his. One of these days I'd like to take his class. Anyway, I'm going to record this. Probably, I don't know how I'm going to do it, honestly. But I'm going to try. So let me give it a shot. Give me a second, I'm going to change sauce. And before anybody says anything, we're going to pretend it says echo even though it says steel, and we all know I'm not a steel guy, so. Anyway, this one already comes with a quarter pitch. I can't get anything quarter pitch for echo battery yet, so it is what it is, guys. I will say this. Battery saws, as much as I don't like to admit it, do have a place. So we try to utilize as much as we can, waste a lot of salvage. On our design around, so we have a lot of big cedar
Okay, I'll have to piece it together because it's dinner time.
Okay, so here it is, part 2. I don't know if you can see me. I'm just trying, but anyway, I made this quick cell phone holder. Haha.
Anyway, part 2. If I can figure out how to piece them together, I will, but I'm not into the tech like I used to be, so I'm not up on stuff like I used to be. So anyway, if I can figure out how to do it, if not, this will be part 2. So anyway, here we go.
ledgy. If you look up the Buffalo's National River, you can see, there's his face kind of scoots, you know, but you'll see very ledgy. Looks like you've ever been here, but you look up pictures. There's his little tail. So anyway, just a quick, I'll stand him up, then I'll post this. It'll probably be 2 parts, because, I don't know, I'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know the deal. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends. I got some stuff available. The last bear I posted is available. This guy will be available as soon as I get him cleaned up and decide. Probably gonna oil him. I don't think I'm gonna paint him. I might do a little fur, and I don't know. I'll see here in just a minute. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Follow me. 1,000 subscribers. I don't care which page it's on. It's close on Instagram. But at 1,000, I'll do a giveaway. Maybe something like this. This should be easily shippable and it shouldn't cost too much. And so anyway, there you go. So we'll talk about it more once I get there, and maybe get some input from you guys as to what you want to see or what you'd like to win. So anyway, thank you and enjoy.